Hi everybody, this is the Pinto differential that we're running in the Cub Cadet, and Bob blew the ring gear and the pinion, and we got an aftermarket one which we got on right here. Only problem was the holes didn't exactly line up. Now we're going through the holes that were already drilled. They were a smaller diameter, like 5/16, and this aftermarket gear required 3/8. So we got to drill a 3/8 hole, and since they went exactly in the same place as the other holes, the drill would pull. So what we ended up doing is going through with an end mill, which you see here, and we drilled them all in a rotary table, and it come out pretty nice. I don't have a tripod to show you to clamp the camera to, so I'm just showing you. And this is a Pinto rear end, and when we do the axles, I'm going to be doing another one of these. I'm going to make a video recording on how we did it, so if you're going to be doing it or you're interested, stay tuned.